Hello guys, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Basics of Computer Engineering. In today's video, we will be learning about switch statements along with their codes. Switch statement is used to execute the code with several parts. With each part, one block is associated. It is a multi-way branch system. Each part of the block is called as case. In switch statement, case and default are the only keywords which are used. Case being the compulsory keyword and default being the optional keyword. Let us start with the first code, which is print day of the week by taking numbers from 1 to 7. We will start our code with hash include angular bracket stdio.h. Next we will be writing hash include angular bracket conio.h. Then I will write void space main parenthesis and then I will be making use of opening curly braces. Now let us declare a variable a with integer data type. By making use of printf statement, a text message will be displayed on the output screen asking the user to enter any number among 1 to 7. Then by making use of scanf statement, we will be accepting the user input. In the next line, we will directly write the word switch and in bracket, we will be writing the word A because the value which the user will give as an input is stored in the variable A. Hence, in our program, A is considered to be as an expression. After this, there is no need of any sort of semicolon. From the next line, we can directly start by writing case space 1 and then a colon. This is the first part in our switch statement with expression A. Simple meaning of this is that if the user will give 1 as an input, then the block associated with case 1 will be executed. Then I will be making use of opening curly braces. After that, by making use of printf statement, I will write the word as Monday. Monday is written in case 1 because the first day of our week is Monday, and if the user gives the input as 1, then Monday will only be displayed as an answer. We will close it by closing curly braces. Next I will be writing case space 2 and then a colon, again opening curly braces. Then by making use of printf statement, I will write the word here as Tuesday because Tuesday is the second day of our week. Then again closing curly braces. After that, case 3 colon and then again opening curly braces. Then again by making use of printf statement, I will be writing the word here as Wednesday. This is because Wednesday is the third day of our week. Again, this will be closed by closing curly braces. Then I will be writing case 4 opening curly braces and by making use of printf statement, I will write the word here as Thursday because Thursday is the fourth day of our week. Then again closing curly braces. Next I will be writing as case 5. Again opening curly braces. Then by making use of printf statement, I will write the word here as Friday because Friday is the fifth day of our week. Then again I will make use of closing curly braces. After that I will be writing case 6. Then opening curly braces. After that, by making use of printf statement, I will be writing the word here as Saturday because Saturday is the sixth day of our week. Then again I will make use of closing curly braces to close the block 6. Then I will write case 7. Again opening curly braces. After that, by making use of printf statement, I will be writing here the word as Sunday because Sunday is the seventh and last day of our week. Then again I will close this block by making use of closing curly braces. Now to end the whole program, we will make use of closing curly braces. We will also need to use opening curly braces after the 9th line, just after writing switch and expression, and hence we will also be making use of closing curly braces. So totally we are ending our program with 3 closing curly braces. Let us compile our program. Let us give the input here as 3. Ideally, our output should have come only as Wednesday, but here we can see that except Monday and Tuesday, rest all days are displayed starting with Wednesday and ending with Sunday. Let us compile our code once again and this time we will be giving 1 as input. It can be noticed that all the cases are executed just in one go. This is because in our code we have written all the cases under one switch expression. To overcome this problem, we will copy the 9th line and we will be pasting it over each case. Also, we will remove closing curly braces from 45th line and opening curly braces from 10th line. Then we will recompile our code. Now let us give 2 as input. So the output will be displayed as only Tuesday. Let us recompile our code, and this time we will be giving the input as 8. In our code, no block is associated with case 8. Hence, nothing will be shown as an output on our screen. Now to overcome this problem, at the end of our code, we will be making use of the word default. Before this, we will write the word switch, and in parentheses we will write the expression as A. Here, by making use of printf statement, we will be writing that choose only the numbers which come in between 1 to 7. This is the default block. When all the cases fail to match the user input, then by default the default part will be executed in our program and the block associated with it will be executed as an output. Let us recompile our code with the same input, but this time the output of our code is different. This was our first code. Now we will be starting with our second code. In our second code, we will be displaying the type of triangle just by entering its side. So there are basically 3 types of triangles: scale-in triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. So all these 3 types will be displayed just by entering the sides using switch statements. We will start our code with hash include angular bracket stdio.h. Then we will be writing void space main parenthesis then opening curly braces. After that I am declaring here 4 variables a, b, c and d of integer data type. In the next line, by making use of printf statement, a text message will be displayed asking the user to enter the sides of the triangle one by one. First, we will ask the user to enter the value for side A, and then by making use of scanf statement, we will accept the user input. Next, we will ask the user to enter the value for side B. Again, by making use of scanf statement, we will be accepting the user input. Then we will ask the user to enter the value for side C. Again, by making use of scanf statement, we will be accepting the user input. After the sides of the triangle are entered, we will display another message by making use of printf statement asking the user to check the type of triangle. User needs to press 1 for equilateral triangle, press 2 for isosceles triangle and press 3 for scale-in triangle. Then we will ask the user to choose any number from 1, 2 and 3. And by making use of scanf statement, we will be accepting the user input. In the next line, I will directly write the word switch, and in parentheses I will be writing the expression here as D. This is because D stores the value which will be entered by the user for checking the type of triangle. Now we will write case 1 and then colon. In our first case, we need to check the condition for the triangle being an equilateral or not. A triangle is considered to be an equilateral triangle only when all the 3 sides of the triangle are equal to each other. Hence here we are using if-else statement. So in front of if, we will be specifying our condition A equal to B. Here I am using double AND operator. This is because all the 3 conditions has to be true. If this condition is true, then by making use of printf statement, a text message will be displayed that the triangle is equilateral triangle. If this condition is false, then the else part will be written in the else block. So in the else block, we will write that printf parenthesis quotation that it's not an equilateral triangle, or you can simply just write that try another case. Then we will write switch expression D, and then we will be writing case space 2 and colon. So our second condition was to check whether the triangle is isosceles or not. This will also be done by making use of if-else statement. Now either of our condition has to be true. It's not compulsory that all the conditions has to be true. Hence we will be using the OR operator by making use of 2 straight lines. Either A needs to be equal to B, or B needs to be equal to C, or C needs to be equal to A. If any of the condition is true, then a text message will be displayed that the triangle is isosceles. If all the 3 conditions are false, then our else block will be executed, in which we have written by making use of printf statement that try another case. Then we will close this block by making use of closing curly braces. Then we will write switch parenthesis D, and now we will be starting with our third case, which is of scale-in triangle. In this case also we will be making use of if-else statement. Now we will write if, and in bracket we will be making use of not equal to operator. We will directly write here as A is not equal to B and B is also not equal to C. If both the conditions are true, then by making use of printf statement, a message will be displayed that this is scalene triangle. If the condition is false, then our else part will be executed stating that try another case. This block will also be closed by making use of closing curly braces. We will use closing curly braces to end our final program. Now we can compile our program. So firstly, the user will be asked to enter all the three sides of the triangle. After that, a text message will be displayed. Then user can choose any of those, and then the type of the triangle will finally be decided. So we will run our program multiple times to check the output. Now I would like to end my video. Guys, don't forget to like and share the video. Also don't forget to subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you for watching the video.